Hello everyone, dear friends. In this video, I will tell you about the new airdrop from Pudgy Penguins and how to get Pengu tokens in just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I try to find potential projects for you as quickly as possible. As you know, the world of cryptocurrency airdrops is amazing and rich, and you definitely should not miss such events. So, I will briefly tell you what an airdrop is and demonstrate the process of getting tokens using my own example. I will leave the official resource for participation in the description under the video. Pudgy Penguins is a collection of unique NFT penguins with a strong community and promising investment potential. The Pengu token supports the ecosystem by providing various benefits, such as collaborations with other projects, activities, NFT collections. Let's move on to getting tokens. The first step is to have Solana tokens on your balance to meet the criteria for activity on the Solana network. In my case, I have $8,019 in Solana tokens in my wallet. Next, go to the official website pengu-activity.com, the address of which is indicated in the description under the video. Next, you need to connect the wallet that is most active and interactive with the Solana network. During the connection process, a window will appear confirming the connection to the site, which must be confirmed, and we wait until the token is credited to our wallet. A couple of minutes later, I received $1,460 in Pengu tokens. I strongly recommend that you do not miss this opportunity and participate in this airdrop, as the criteria for receiving the airdrop were as simple as possible. If you have any problems, write in the comments under the video and I will be happy to help you. Good luck to everyone.